Hola mis chiquillos, es Miss Hiller again. It is Monday, January 31st, and we're going to take a look at your seats, if I can put it the right way. Okay, so this at your seat is for both my English and Spanish friends. So every now and then I'll throw in a couple of Spanish words. Entonces voy a hablar en los dos idiomas para todos mis chiquillos. So, vamos a empezar, aunque dice número 4. Ay, perdón, estoy en el lado equivocado. Número 1. It says, partition the model, then use shading or place a point to show the fraction. Complete the other columns to find the unit fraction and the fraction that represents the whole. Alright, so using these directions, whatever fraction you see, that's what you are trying to identify in the first model. See, the fraction they tell you. So in this first model, I want 3 out of 4. Well, again, my denominator is my total, T for total, and my numerator are my pieces, what they want. So I know I want a total of 4. Does Ms. Hiller have a total of 4? Yes, but I only want 3 pieces. So I'm going to start shading 3 pieces. Why don't you go ahead and start that? And I'm going to translate for our bilingual friends. Ahora, mis chiquillos en español. El total está abajo. Quiero los 4 pedazos. Entonces, por favor, identifica los 4 pedazos. El número arriba, el numerador, son tus pedazos que quieres. Por eso solamente voy a colorear los 3 pedazos. Esta fracción es 3 de 4. Muy bien. Now we're going to go on to the middle, my unit fraction. In this one, they want to know every single piece, and we're still using 3 out of 4. So I'm going to divide it again into 4, but this time I'm going to identify each piece. 1 out of 4, another 1 out of 4, another 1 out of 4, and another 1 out of 4. My unit, or just one piece, is 1 out of 4. I want you to think of the towers, the fraction towers that we use. I'm getting up to get mine now. If you look at my fraction towers, when I break them apart, you're only getting a piece. So if you need to get up and use them, please do. Estos pedacitos te van a ayudar a identificar que cuando pidan para la unidad es como uno. Solamente quieren un pedazo en la unidad. Unit means one piece, okay? So here I have my unit fractions. Now my last one is the whole. They want you to identify the whole candy bar. So again, I have 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Can you do that on your paper, please? And if I am going too fast, remember, you pause the YouTube video, you do this work, and then you unpause to keep going. Alright, they want the whole piece this time. Well, if I put my candy bar back together, how many pieces is that? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So that is 4 out of 4. So just looking at this one example, you're going to see what we're going to do with the whole page. You're going to identify the fraction they give you, give me one unit or one piece of the candy bar, and then give me the whole candy bar. Alright, let's move on to the next one. The next one is 8. Feel free to get your fraction bars if you need to. Oops. Alright, Miss Hiller has her 8. She's not playing around with them, and if they don't stick, they don't stick. It's okay, as long as I have 8. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I want 5 out of 8s on this one. Ooh, let's see if I can do that. Let's see. I'm going to start with 4. And then if you take your 4s and then cross like an X, you should have your 8s. And that should now give you 8. But I only want 5 of the 8s. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 8s. Now I'm going to move on to 1 unit, un pedazo, 1 of the 5 8s. So make your 8 again. And I want 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But wait a minute, Miss Hiller. You said unit fraction. I want 1 piece. Well, let's see. 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8. Can't really see it, so I'm going to go here. 1 out of 8. 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 How much is 1 piece? 1 piece of my candy bar is 1 out of 8. Oops. Right. What about the whole thing? Can you guess how much the whole thing is? Cut it again. Put your units in there. Remember, if I'm going too fast, pause the video. It's okay. The whole thing is 8 out of 8. Do you see a pattern yet? Alright, let's go to the last one on this side. This one is 1/3. Okay? And one of my friends, Miss Medrano actually, showed me this cute little trick. Now, if I have my thirds, it won't work because this line's too small, but I know that this is 0. This would be my 0. Then I need to go 1, 2, 3. So let me show that on the number line. That would be 1, 2, 3. And I stop at the 1. I always stop at the 1 to make my whole candy bar, because that stands for the whole candy bar. So I know that 2/3 is, let's see, 1/3, 2/3. He's right here, so I'm going to put a big old dot. For my friends that remember to always start with 0, put 0/3. Sorry, that was kind of backwards. But at least I know where my dot goes. Now I'm going to do it again. This time they want just 1 unit, right? How much is just 1 piece? 1 unit. ¿Cuánto es una unidad? That would be 1 out of 3. And then for my last one, how much is the whole candy bar? When I put it all together, how many pieces do I have? Perdón, mis niños en español. Quiero saber cuánto era la unidad, un pedazo. Pero ahora en la última parte, quiero saber todo junto. ¿Ok? Junto sería 3 de 3. Alright, if time is not up for this station, I would like for you to now just flip it over. And you're going to try to do 4, 5, and 6 by yourself. If you need to go get the fraction towers, which is these, please use them. It's okay, as long as you put them back. Make sure you get the one you need. So always look at your denominator. Ahora en español. Para los niños que si todavía tenemos tiempo, van a ir a agarrar estos bloques si ya no los tienen. Pero cuidado, siempre agarran lo que dice abajo. Este dice 6, entonces van a agarrar el que dice 6. Ese dice en la mitad, vas a agarrar la fracción que es para la mitad. Y para el 8 van a agarrar el que es del 8. Mira bien, ¿ok? Alright, see you later.